if you look at the details of biochemistry, molecular biology, find a signature of some sort of designer. And that designer could well be a higher intelligence from elsewhere in the universe.
Our guest tonight, Michael Cremo, is a member of the History of Science Society, the World Archaeological Congress, the Philosophy of Science Association, the European Association of Archaeologists, and a research associate in history and philosophy for the science of the Bhaktivedanta Institute.
What they found is that these two so-called human ancestors, Homo habilis and Homo erectus, were actually coexisting with each other for about 500,000 years in East Africa. And if they're coexisting with each other, that meant the later one, Homo erectus, didn't come from the earlier one, Homo habilis. So there's an additional fact, however, that they haven't mentioned in these reports, and that is that there's evidence that humans like us were coexisting with Homo erectus and Homo habilis at the same time between 1 million and 1.5 million years ago.
Does that increase the possibility, Michael, because we've all heard these stories, that we might have been genetically manipulated by another civilization somehow?
Well, that's one way to look at it. I think definitely we're not the result of some random process of evolution. I think if you look at the biological complexity of human beings, right down to the level of the DNA, it's extremely complex.